Trying to migrate your website to Shopify. Hmm. Feeling like your brain is buffering. Don't worry, I got you. In the next 3 minutes, you will grow from confused developer noises to full on Shopify wizard. Let's go. First, back it up like a paranoid squirrel before winter. Download all your stuff, images, text, customer data, because once it's gone like your weekend. Step 2. Head to shopify.com and start a free trial. No credit card, no problem. Shopify is just happy you showed up. Step 3. Pick a theme that screams I sell stuff without screaming too loudly. Free or a paid, just don't pick the one that looks like a 2008 book. Step 4. Import products. Use an app like Matrixify or just upload a CSV if you are feeling techy. If your product list is long, this is your cardio for the day. Step 5. Time to create your pages, about us, contact, and of course, the second shop page. Drag and drop your menu like a digital feng shui master. Step 6. Now the important part, getting paid. Turn on Shopify payments, add shipping rules, and make sure you are not charging $80 to ship a sticker. Step 7. Launch. Click that glorious remove password button and boom, your store is live. Your old site is jealous, your wallet is nervous. If this helped, hit that like, smash that sub, and migrate your life to Shopify stardom. Until next time, keep selling and don't forget to drink water.